Hi students, in this video we shall learn about one more salt, that is plaster of Paris, from the lesson acid, bases and salts. What is plaster of Paris? Plaster of Paris is a chemical compound consisting of fine white powder which hardens when exposed to moisture and allowed to dry. You all understood, children? Plaster of Paris is a chemical compound consisting of a fine white powder which hardens when exposed to moisture and allowed to dry. Its chemical formula is CaSO4 half H2O and is known as calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Now we shall see what are the properties of plaster of Paris, children. Plaster of Paris is a white powder. It has a very remarkable property of setting into a hard mass on wetting with water. Plaster of Paris should be stored in a moisture-proof container. How is this plaster of Paris prepared, children? Plaster of Paris is synthesized from gypsum. It is prepared from gypsum, children. So what is the formula for gypsum? CaSO4 2H2O. When gypsum is heated at 373 Kelvin, it loses its water molecules to become calcium sulfate, that is plaster of Paris. Okay, children, when gypsum is heated, so gypsum formula is CaSO4 2H2O, children. So gypsum formula is CaSO4 2H2O. When this gypsum is heated to around 373 Kelvin, plaster of Paris is formed, that is CaSO4 half H2O plus 3/2 H2O. You understood, children? So when gypsum, CaSO4 2H2O, this is called gypsum. When gypsum is heated to around 373 Kelvin, we get calcium sulfate hemihydrate is nothing but this is called plaster of Paris. You all understood, children? So plaster of Paris is synthesized from gypsum. When this gypsum is heated to around 373 Kelvin, it loses water molecules and become calcium sulfate hemihydrate, which is nothing but plaster of Paris. Now we shall see what are the uses of plaster of Paris, children. Plaster of Paris is used by doctors for supporting fractured bones in the right position. It is used for making toys and decorative materials. It is also used for increasing smoothness of surfaces. It is used as the cement in ornamental casting and for decorative materials. It is used as a fireproofing material and for making chalks. It is used to fill small gaps on walls and roofs. It is also used in 3D printing nowadays, where the water is specifically applied by the inkjet head, children. Now, based on this concept, there are some related questions, children. Let us solve these questions and find the answers. Write the chemical formula and name of plaster of Paris. Write the chemical formula and name of plaster of Paris. What is gypsum? Name the calcium compound which hardens on melting with water. What will happen if heating is not controlled while preparing plaster of Paris? So we shall see what are the answers, children. Write the chemical formula and name of plaster of Paris. So the chemical formula of plaster of Paris is CaSO4 half H2O and is known as calcium sulfate hemihydrate. What is gypsum? Gypsum is a common mineral. It is found in layers that were found under salt water millions of years ago. You understood, children? It is found in layers that were found under salt water for millions of years ago. And gypsum is composed of calcium sulfate, that is CaSO4, and water H2O. Its chemical name is calcium sulfate dihydrate, CaSO4 2H2O. Next question. Name the calcium compound which hardens on wetting with water. So the compound that hardens on wetting with water is commonly known as plaster of Paris, chemically known as calcium sulfate. What will happen if heating is not controlled while preparing plaster of Paris? If heating is not controlled while preparing plaster of Paris, then all the water of crystallization of gypsum is eliminated and it turns into a dead burnt plaster. You all understood, children? So if heating is not controlled, what happens to POP? All the water of crystallization of gypsum is eliminated and it turns into a dead burnt plaster. You all understood, children? I hope you have understood this concept. See you in the next video. Thank you.